Hello everyone, in today's video, I am going to show you how to connect AirPods to MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, of course we need to have uh, an AirPad. So for me, only have here the orange hair. Okay, so I'm going to use this one to connect to my MacBook. Okay, so in order to do that, guys, of course we need to go to our settings. Okay, so we need to go to our Bluetooth. Okay, so in order to connect this AirPods, guys, or earphone, guys, you just have to get this one or the two both of this piece. Okay, and as you can see on my screen, I have already here this device connected to my MacBook. You just have to click this connect, guys. So okay, it is now connected. So you can actually search this device if this is not yet connected to your MacBook. Okay, so that's it, guys. So that's how are you going to connect your AirPods to your MacBook. Okay, so I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.